Hey, stop it, stop it. Nagpipicture-picture. Oh, wait, huh? See? Oh my God. Yeah. Oh, I got it. Bella, where are you? Tama lang ba din pala ang t-shirt? No, mommy's gonna hold it. Go, go, go. See you, Andrella. Back in Niagara Falls. Ikot, ikot, ikot. Ikot, please. Oy, oy, ay, dito lang, dito lang. Anak, basta. What do you say? What do you say, Sian? Eh, dito lang, dito lang. We're back in Niagara, Ontario. Ganda ng Niagara Falls. Dito sa Ontario, Canada. Bakit? Tabi ko, anak ka tabi. Anak tabi. Doon ka sa gilid ka. Malapit tayo sa Niagara. Ganda ng Niagara Falls. High pants. High pants. High pants daw eh, high pants.
Hi, vlog.
Hi vlog.
How are ya?
Welcome.
Say hi.
Lola, say hi.
Just let me know if you want to take
This is the casino where you can come and have some. This is the Skylon Tower. This is the US Niagara Falls area. And this is Niagara Falls in Canada. That's it. Picture, picture.
Oh, with Nina. Yay, kama ka sa kanila. Yan. One.
See ya, Bella.
Bella. Bella.
Ay na lang, mabubusog pa sila. Can you show me your ice cream, Sian? Wow, look at the ice cream. Ang sarap naman yan.
Naglamig-lamig.
Lamig-lamig. Show me your ice cream, anak. Come on. Ice cream? Wow. Is it good?
Actually, not ice cream. It's cream ice cream.
Cream ice cream? Nine o'clock na. Sis! Oh, say hi! Ala, mag-change na ang itsura ko. Tumunog.
Ako naman maghihiwalay na.
Maghihiwalay na ang iyong katawan. Halika na ito.
Bella Sian, wait. Bella Sian.
Oh, upo kayo. Kuya, kumain.
Sabit na lang. Sabit ako.
Galing nga. Kwesi yan. Oh, layo ni Kwesi yan. Galing ah.
Nice.
Nice cheese.
Look at Maninang. Ito si
Skylar, smile.
Smile.